Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. This vlog will show you on how to connect to the internet when all of your ISPs went down. So stick around and I will show you how. First, enable data network. Go to settings. Choose dual SIMs and mobile network, making sure that data network is on. If you preferred SIM 1, make it sure to disable SIM 2. Go back to settings. Select personal hotspot. Switch on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Select hotspot configuration. You can see the network ID, security, and password. Select data limit per use. Choose unlimited. Select number of connections allowed. This time, choose only one connection. All set, so simple. Next is how to connect your laptop using your mobile phone's data. I'm showing you right now if your ISPs are down. This icon shows that you are not connected to the internet. Your last option is to use your mobile hotspot in order to connect on the internet. Click this icon. Select the name of your mobile hotspot. Then connect. You are now connected. Open a web browser. There you go, and you are now connected to the internet. Another option on how to connect on the internet is using your desktop through tethering. Make it sure that the cable from your mobile phone is connected to the CPU. And this is how it works. Connect your Wi-Fi or use your mobile's data. Select personal hotspot. Choose other sharing mode. Share phone network via USB and turn it on. This time, let's connect using your desktop. Click on this icon to check if you are connected on the internet. Open a web browser. And there you go. Enjoy! Please subscribe, get notified, like, comment, and share.